We're going to show you how to install two Nano SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy S10. So first, power off your phone, and using the ejection pin, retrieve the SIM card tray. Next, you may want to put your primary SIM card into this slot over here. Make sure that the orientation is correct. So for your second Nano SIM card, you need to put it in place of your MicroSD card. So this is the second Nano SIM that we have, and this is how you place it in the MicroSD slot. Make sure the groove is at the top left hand corner. Make sure both cards are put properly and is seated correctly, and you can put the SIM tray back into the phone itself. You can power on the phone, and as our main SIM card has got a SIM card unlock pin, we'll need to key that in. So once we have keyed in the pin, you can select OK to unlock the SIM card and the phone. So once you have power on your phone, this is the menu that will pop up. So you have got your SIM 1 and SIM 2 as indicated over here. So for your preferred SIM card, you can select the calls for either Ask Always to have incoming calls to be received by SIM 1 or SIM 2. We'll leave it at SIM 1. Similarly, for text messages, we can select SIM 1 or SIM 2. And for mobile data, we'll set it to SIM 2 as shown. So there are other call settings where we can confirm the SIM card for calls, where you can turn it on or off over here. And you can select whether to have the dual SIM always on. You can enter the phone numbers for SIM card 1 or SIM card 2. We'll skip this for now. So this is how you insert two Nano SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy S10 and have it configured.